We have to wait till one flies by. That would be so viral. It's not working.
They're in the wild. The seagulls trying to get food.
It's so sad they don't see that we're trying to give them food.
That one's going to go.
Come back, seagull.
Our bread isn't good enough for you.
Where'd it go?
It disappeared.
We need to attract a seagull. Why won't they come? The life of a seagull.
The life of two dummies trying to get a seagull to slip down.
For a video. Oh my gosh.
I had a feeling the seagull's just doing this to make us look like idiots.
Seagull, come down.
It's like, yeah, you guys just keep throwing bread, you know? I'm just gonna hang here for a while.
Well, the other birds don't want the seagulls.
Let's just try and go over there, see if we can't get
No, let's keep trying to get these seagulls to come down. They're getting close. Let's see some more bread. It would be a funny video. What if we throw a whole piece of bread out there, a big one? We could go retrieve it. I don't know. Let's throw a big piece out there. Wait till one comes and we'll throw a big piece. They don't want little pieces. They're greedy. They want big pieces. Where are the seagulls? They all left. They need to come back.
They're all over there.
We'll get one's attention. I don't know. Wait till one's looking. I'll throw a big piece.
I think our best shot is if we go over there.
No, look, they're coming.
They're flying, but they aren't coming down. Let's go. They aren't going to come.
They might. How do I even get up? This place is like steep. So we continue our journey on to somewhere else. Because all the seagulls leave the area. Those seagulls. They're unpredictable, aren't they? You'd think they'd want food, but no. Apparently not on this side of the area. They all came flying over. That was so funny. I was like, I think they're coming. They were playing with us. I tell you. I thought, oh, well, I'll come over there and then they'll think they'll come down, that we're coming down. But no. It was all a trick. So now we're walking to the other side because maybe, just maybe, we'll get some better luck on this side.
They aren't going for it. They just aren't going for it. We threw a whole hamburger bun at them.
And it landed in the mud.
Floating there.
No, because it landed in the mud. They don't want a muddy one. It should. Ew.
What are you talking about? We got like 4 or 5 birds today we have in the mud.
Sick birds. Wow. Well, we're almost to the other side. Let's see what we can get. What if I can get one to eat on my hand? I doubt it. can try. I can only hope. We can only hope. It's coming. Maybe I can get it to catch it like I was trying before. Can you catch this? Huh? Ready? Almost. Let's see another little piece. Try to get it to catch. Can you catch that? I taught my dog to catch stuff.
Birds are not dogs.
Ready? Almost.
He's just waiting for it to hit the water.
Well, it needs to actually... Okay, you tell it to catch it.
Catch. Oh!
Oh my gosh, it was so close.
You got this. You got this. Ready? Go. Ah.
Didn't
off.
even try.
That was off.
Yeah. True. Let me try.
So off.
You ready? Ready for this? You need a drink? Okay, now. Oh, so close. But yet so far. It's like, wait, what? You give those ducks it, but not me? I was here first. If it could talk, it would be, I'll narrate it. I wonder if I can get some bread. Look, he's throwing me some bread. This bread's good. And now, I want to see if he'll give me more bread. But no, he gives it to those ducks over there. No, no, no. Well, maybe he'll give me some bread this time. I can only hope. Yay! He gave me bread and now I'm thirsty, so I'm getting a drink. Maybe we'll get some more bread. Nope, didn't think so. But now I got some. Yay! I'm wiggling my little ducky tail. Or goose tail, I don't know what I am. I don't know what I am. I almost caught that.
There's just one over there if you want to try and get it.
Is that a swan or a goose?
Oh, no. What?
You want some?
He's just watching it.
That's mean. Give it to it. Okay, we have a lot left now. Let me try some. Can you come get it out of my hand? I'm not gonna hurt you.
I don't think he's gonna do that.
Okay, fine. Here. Get it out of the water.
It's like, no, I'm not gonna put my neck on the line like that.
Can you catch?
This video is brought to you by Western Family, homemade.
But we're not getting paid by them.
No.
We're just giving free advertisement.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Western Family.
Yeah. See if you can catch this. I'm gonna make it look like a ball. I rolled it up. It looks like a ball. And now. Oh my gosh! It was so
It's
close.
to the bottom.
It was so close. Let me see another piece to make a ball with. It's a tiny one, but we'll try it. That was a bad throw. I'll tell you that much. Did you know we've been filming for 8 minutes, almost 9? It's ridiculous.
Set.
That was a bad throw.
We're almost out of bones.
We're almost out of birds. They're all leaving.
Hey, check out Mohawk. Oh. I got a swan. Sweet. You got a swan.
Where is it?
Right there. Right there. Whatever. Two swan. They're part of the same family. Let's see if I can get Mohawk over here.
What's up?
Go Mohawk. He's just like, yeah, that hit my friend.
What are they doing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck? They're all making noise now. I ran out of breath. Are you out of breath yet? Is the bag empty yet? John, can you move these? I can't. They're coming towards me and I can't feed them without any. You ready?
I tried pulling up similar stuff when I was a little kid. One.
Can you take it from my hand? Here. I'm reaching for you. I could fall in the water for this. Just trust me, I could be falling in the water if you don't take this. I could fall in the water. It'd be bad. Yay!
Success!
See, now do you trust me? Yeah, you trust me now, don't you?
We're getting action here. Here you go.
Yay!
Good.
You trust me.
We've got trust. We got 2 of them going here.
There you go. Just when we're almost out of bread, that is.
Yeah, at least we got our a bit of action here.
I'm out of bread, I'm sorry. Oh, look, I got more.
That's a piece, dude.
That's a big piece, isn't it?
I'm out. And just like that, we are out of bread.
Well, almost.
Yeah, one more piece, dude. One more piece, boys. Got one more. There you go.
Almost out, but you can have the rest of it. Okay, one more piece for ya. Make it last. Okay, it was nice having you in my video. I'll see you later.
Out. Okay, we're done. Thank you for that.
And just like that, the feeding comes to an end just like this video.
Success! Success!
Success. I love you all. Bye.